Welcome to JEE Maths Preparation 2026-27, where maths is explained simply, clearly, and step by step. Build concepts, not shortcuts. Now let's solve today's JEE Maths question. Today's question is on differential equation, which appeared in JEE Main 2025 and 26 shift variant. In the question, it is given that a curve y equals yx passes through the point 1 comma pi by 2 and satisfies this differential equation where x is greater than equal to 1. We have to find the value of cos y at x equals 2. The question can be analyzed as follows. First, we will solve the differential equation to get the equation of the curve y equals yx, which passes through this point, which gives us the initial condition to find the value of c. In the particular solution, we can substitute x equals 2 and get the value of cos y. Let us see how we can do that. First, the given differential equation. From this, we can write dy by dx equals 7x power 4 cot y minus e power x cosec y upon x power 5, dividing separately 7 upon x cos y upon sin y minus e power x into 1 upon sin y. Now we will multiply this equation by sin y to cancel this sin y. So we get sin y dy by dx equals 7 upon x cos y minus e raised to x upon x power 5. We will name this 1. Now here we have to make proper substitution in order to change this equation into a linear differential equation. We will substitute v equals cos y and differentiate with respect to x. dv by dx equals minus sin y dy by dx. Sin y dy by dx equals minus dv by dx. We will use this value of sin y dy by dx here and write minus dv by dx equals 7 upon x v minus e power x upon x power 5. By changing signs, this will be dv by dx plus 7 upon x into v equals e power x upon x power 5. This is a linear differential equation where 7 upon x is px and e raised to x upon x power 5 qx. So first, integrating factor will be e power integral px dx e power 7 by x dx 7 ln x, which is integrating factor x power 7. So general solution will be v into integrating factor x power 7 equals integrating factor x power 7 into qx e power x upon x power 5 dx plus c integral x square into e raised to x dx plus c. For this integral, we will use integration by parts repeatedly. That will give us first function x square into integral of second e raised to x minus derivative of x square 2x into integral of e raised to x plus derivative of 2x 2 into integral of e raised to x. The process ends because derivative of this 2 is 0 plus c. Putting for this v cos y, this will be cos y x power 7 equals e raised to x into x square minus 2x plus 2 plus c. So this is the general solution. It is given that the curve passes through the point 1 comma pi by 2. So the general solution becomes this cos pi by 2, which is 0. So 0 equals e power 1 into 1 square minus 2 into 1 plus 2 plus c. 2 minus 2 will be 0. 0 equals e plus c. C equals minus e. Therefore, this general solution becomes particular solution x power 7 cos y equals e raised to x into x square minus 2x plus 2 minus e. And finally, we have to find the value of cos y at x equals 2. So we will put x equals to 2 power 7 cos y equals e square into 2 square is 4 minus 2 into 2 4 plus 2 minus e 4 minus 4 is 0 2e square minus e that gives cos y equals 2e square minus e upon 2 power 7 which is 128. Hence the correct answer option here is C 2e square minus e upon 128. This one here. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe. Keep learning, keep questioning and keep building strong mathematical thinking. And I will see you in the next JEE Maths tutorial. Until then, keep watching JEE Maths PYQs. Thank you.